Hello, good evening to everyone. Today in this video, I'll tell you how you can fix if Google Play Store is not downloading any new apps. Say for example, this is the Google Play Store app, right? So if you're searching for any app and just trying to install that, if it is not installing, the first thing you can do is in the status bar, just turn on the airplane mode and turn it off back. Okay, this way your network get refreshes. Actually, where is this yeah, airplane mode on and airplane mode off. So just check once if the problem is solved. Just go to the Play Store and try to uh, download the app again. Okay, if this didn't work, what you can do is the next step, you can give a long press on the app here, on the Play Store app. Long press on the Play Store app and click on this I symbol here, info symbol here. Okay, click on this info symbol and then go to the storage and cache and clear this cache. And now restart your mobile once. So if there are any glitches or update issues or anything, then all the problems will get resolved. Say for example, there will be one more scenario. If your phone has less than 1 GB of free space, see where is this file manager? This is the file manager, right? So if your phone has no enough storage here in the internal storage, see here 195 GB is available for me, 195 GB free. If the phone storage has less space, you need to delete some downloads, delete some pictures and make some space for the new apps to be downloaded. The next setting you need to do is adjust app download preferences. For that, what you can do is you need to open the Play Store app, then click on your profile picture at the right top. Yeah, here at the right top, tap on this, then scroll down and click on the settings. Then under settings you will see this network preferences and app download preference. See here, you need to keep this option. So if this option is enabled, your Play Store will access internet from mobile or Wi-Fi data. And one more thing you can do is you can just switch between your mobile data and the Wi-Fi and restart your mobile and check whether your problem is solved. And one more important thing, you need to set the exact date and time on your mobile. I need to go to Android system settings and search for the date and time and just enable this and disable this and enable this. So if you have right time, there are no time issues or time and date issues, then it will work perfectly fine. Then all the problems related to the Play Store will eventually get solved and whatever the app you are downloading will download from now on. For each and every step, just try to restart your mobile and all the errors will get fixed. If still the problems exist, there is one thing you can do. You can click on a long press here, click on this I symbol and click on these three dots and click on uninstall update, but choose this as the last option. Okay, I hope you like this tutorial and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.